In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add another account on Snapchat. Adding another account on Snapchat is simple and can be done in just a few quick and easy steps. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. And then tap Log Out. Tap on the Log Out button to confirm it. Once you have successfully logged out, you can now log in with a different account. If you don't already have another account, tap Sign Up at the bottom left. Follow the on-screen instructions, and create another Snapchat account. If you already have another account, tap Use Other Account. And then type in the username, email, or phone number, and the password associated with your other account. Tap Login. Now you have added the other Snapchat account to the Snapchat app. If you want to switch accounts, tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. And then tap Log Out. Then select your other Snapchat account and tap Login. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.